while since the pandemic. I haven't had a chance to return to China and enjoy some Jian Bing. 第一个，这个，首先，呀，这个有蛋，鸡蛋煎饼。
没吃过吗？
在加拿大回来没吃过。
那个鱼呀，大红的，鱼大红的。
我以前在北京吃过这个煎饼。
好吃吗？
好吃。
中国做的很好吃是吧？
新冠病毒以后，我没吃过。So this is the authentic Jian Bing using the bean sauce and also the chili sauce. 一点可以了，也一点，这些。And then you get the Chinese donut. You get the radish with it too. So that's good. So that's the final step is the Chinese cracker. So this is the first time I've had the Jian Bing in Canada. I've never actually had it in Canada. I eat it when I'm in China, so it's going to be a real treat for me. Okay, 谢谢。So this is the first time I've had Jian Bing in Canada. Haven't been back to China in a few years, so I'm missing eating this Jian Bing. So let's give this a try. That's really tasty. Now the only thing is the wrapper on this Jian Bing isn't as crispy, and also it's falling apart. So the Jian Bing in China, it holds the contents really well. So this one is already soggy, it's not holding up, but the taste is fantastic. So in the meantime, if you can't get Jian Bing in China, you can get it in Canada at least. So make sure you give this a try.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.